Thank you. Alrighty, so I get a lot of questions about the Nevermore stuff too, so I was going to play you guys a couple of songs from that. I was going to play you the middle jam section to the song This Godless Endeavor, which has got quite a bit of parts to it, and an arpeggio section that's actually kind of crazy. Let me explain that part to you first. I think you guys are probably familiar with the... Basically what I'm doing is just snapping off the D and the G string and doing like a triplet on the top end of that, so it's just... And then moving up 3 frets, perfect diminished. And then basically it's just moving the riff around the neck chromatically and in a diminished format to get this kind of tone. And you just repeat that 3 frets higher. The trick is to get the top end of it to snap really hard so you get that kind of thing going. So let me play that middle section for you and check it out. Here you go.